Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and in today's video this is drawing from request video number 2. Yesterday I had drawn a mecha robot because my friend had suggested it, and again this guy commented me to draw Spiderman because he wanted to see how to draw it and he was having difficulties drawing the angles. So I was like, okay. And here is the Spiderman I have drawn. I have taken little help from Draw It tutorial of Spiderman. You can check that out in the description below, and if you have any recommendations, comment section below. So yeah, and if you like the video, click on the like button. Do not forget to smash the subscribe button, and if you like the drawing, you can appreciate it in the comment section. Bye, let's get the music.
Drip, diamonds always hit, bitch. Roll around the town with your ex, bitch. And I'm so locked into your Netflix. Now she blow my phone with that ring. Now she wanna go up in my tank. Up late, sipping on some Yangling. Put me up before of that lean. Money hit a little bitch, that's a dream team. And now she pull up in that Money Carlo whipping when she pullin' that fire. Damn. And your bitch know what I want. Run your little mouth, boy, your ass get dry for real. Bitch, out my way. All your rappers are cap. Capping off your ass, that's on God. Man, I ain't put that shit on, and I put that on game. Now I'm about to blow my pocket on a no chain. Just started pouring liquor, sipping Dolce.